Racing just started while Go for All was left behind. We have perfect timing, break quickly at a start. Moving up, New Dawn, Kitty West in the middle portion. Elusive Wind comes next, I Survive. Paradiso then next on now is Chacho. And going along for the first turn, we have perfect timing by about 3 lengths. And in second, Elusive Wind. And on the outside third comes Kitty West. New Dawn comes next, I Survive. Then next on is Paradiso, while Chacho is still racing and less back to the leader. Perfect timing by Orlink, and he have Elusive Wind now trying to get closer in second. Down in third is Kitty West. Next online, New Dawn, I Survive is down on the inside. Then moving up, Chacha, while Paradiso now racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have perfect timing by about 3/4 of a length lead. About to throw the challenge now on the outside is Elusive Wind. Kitty West is down in third as they swing for home. Perfect timing, and on the outside Elusive Wind. Kitty West remains in third, last 100 meters. Perfect timing followed by Elusive Wind in second, but it's still perfect timing, Elusive Wind, and finally it's perfect timing, Elusive Wind. Then comes Kitty West, New Dawn, I Survive. Cha-cha, para